Launch your hospitality career with IIHM's short-term programs. Ivan Institute of Hotel Management, IIHM, is your gateway to a successful career in the dynamic world of hospitality. We offer intensive short-term courses designed to equip you with the essential skills and knowledge to thrive in this exciting industry. Fast-track your success. 6-month course. This program is ideal for those seeking a quick and focused introduction to hotel operations. Gain practical skills in areas like housekeeping, food and beverage service, and front office operations. 1-year course. Take a deeper dive into hospitality management with our comprehensive 1-year program. Learn advanced skills in areas like guest service management, culinary arts, and human resource management. Why choose IIHM's short-term programs? 100% job placement guarantee. We are confident in the quality of our education and our graduates' readiness for the workforce. Upon successful completion of your program, we guarantee you'll be placed in a hospitality job within 3 months. Terms conditions apply. Lifetime job assistance. Your success is our priority. Even after graduation, our dedicated placement team will continue to assist you with your job search throughout your career. Experienced faculty learn from industry veterans who bring their real-world experience into the classroom. Our passionate instructors will guide you and prepare you for the challenges and opportunities of the hospitality industry. Benefits of a short-term hospitality course. Flexible schedule. Our programs are designed for busy individuals. Fit your education around your life with our convenient class timings. Cost-effective. Gain valuable industry skills without the commitment of a traditional 4-year degree program.
Quick entry into the workforce. Be job ready in a shorter time frame and start your hospitality career sooner. Take the first step towards your dream career in hospitality. Contact IIHM today to learn more about our short-term programs and how we can help you achieve your goals.